Hello everybody, my name is Mark. Welcome to another video. And in this video, I made some more money. Let's take a look. Back on November the 13th, I sold a put option, strike price $2.50 on this stock AHT. It is a REIT on the hotel industry, and the numbers were really good. The delta was at a 0.2, and you can see the premium is really high. 70 minus commission, $69. So let's say 70. So my profit is a possible 350, and my loss was looking at a 180. And so that was just too good to resist. Let's take a look at the chart. So the chart is a really cruddy chart, and this stock has been going down even before the coronavirus. So I knew, or at least I felt like this was a risky option trade for me. Even though the numbers are so good and so strongly in my favor, I still felt like this was a risky stock. And sure enough, if we zoom in, look at what happened today. If we look at the chart here, this is just today from right here. It went all the way down. It gapped down all the way at 320, and then it started slowly going up. And when we expand the chart a little bit to, let's say, 1 month, okay, it's kind of caught in a little pattern. But if we go out a little further, this pattern, it's still on a downtrend, and I don't trust this move really. This is a very shady looking move. So the stock, the chart, the company, everything about it is risky. The only thing that says do it was the numbers. And since I'm a numbers guy, I said, the heck with it. I'm doing it. And so I did. And the stock today closed 8.5% lower than what it started. But look at the money that I made. So I sold it for $69. For $70, took in minus commission, almost $70, $69.34. And then here's what I did today. I bought to close, and I paid back 47. So 70 minus 47, I made 23. So $22 on a $250 risk. That's almost a 10%. It's about a 9% return since November the 13th. Today's November the 23rd. So on the trade, I made 9% return in 10 days. I guess if I had more kahunas, I would put more contracts on, but I'm still getting my feet wet because normally in the past as an option trader, I've done diagonal spreads, I've done covered calls, and I've done option callers. So this put selling strategy is still a little bit fresh for me, but let me share with you my methodology that I've been using. So the reason, and you may be asking yourself, how in the heck can a put option go down in value when the stock is going down in value? And I'm going to explain it right now. And it's so simple to understand. And I hope, if nothing else, I'm motivating you as an option trader and watching these videos. I hope I'm encouraging you that this is really not that difficult. And a normal guy, I'm just a normal, average working class guy, can do stuff like this. And so let me explain this methodology a little bit. So I go to this barchart.com and I go onto options and I click on high implied volatility. Now, what is implied volatility? Implied volatility is an option Greek. And over here, let me get rid of this nonsense. Over here, IV, you can see implied volatility, and AHT still, that's the stock that I just traded, still has high implied volatility. Implied volatility means moving around. Implied means implied. It's what people think a stock might do, the move that it's going to make. Now, when the stock makes that move, then all this implied volatility comes just almost like a big airbag. Just the air just goes whoosh, and all of the value of these puts options goes down. Okay, so even when the stock goes down, and I recently did a trade on a stock BCLI, which is a healthcare stock on ALS, which is degenerative disease. That stock went down from $17 a share to $4 a share, and I sold a $5 put on that stock. And we can even look at this stock right here. Let me go to the chart, and I'll just show you real quick what this particular stock, BCLI here, BCLI, and I'll show you the big move that this thing made. Okay, so let me go to 1 month chart here. Look at this, okay? So BCLI went all the way down from $17, and here is $12, but it's been going down a little bit. But here it really dropped because one of their tests didn't work out, and it went down to $4. And I sold a $5 put. Now, when I sold the $5 put, it was at about $17. It was all the way up here when I sold that $5 put all the way down here. I got $151 for that put option that I sold. I can even show you on my account here. Let me go to my transactions actually, and let me put in BCLI. There it is right there. And let me go to October because that would be when I sold the put. And there it is right there. I took in $155. I bought to close at $154. So I still made a $1 profit on a $5 put on a stock that tanked almost 70% in a single day. And the reason why that is, the reason why I make that kind of money is because these options, when you see options with high implied volatility, that means the put option is so expensive, and I'll just say it is flat out overpriced. And so when you find these overpriced options, then obviously you want to be the option seller. So I'm more than happy to take your money. If you want to buy a $5 put off of me for 150 bucks, go ahead. I'll be your guy, you know. Now, maybe I might be wrong every once in a while, but the numbers over the long run, I will make the money, and this is my methodology. And so back to the other stock, AHT. AHT today I closed out and I made $22, which is a 9% return on the trade in 10 days, you know, $69. This stock went down 8%, 8.5%. Now, who knows what it might do in the near future? That put option that I sold expires in December. So, you know, maybe it's possible that I could hang on to that put and make the whole $70. But why take that risk? Once the implied volatility goes whoosh, then I feel like that's the time to get out. I don't believe in trying to make money hoping the stock trades above the strike price. I believe in making money off the implied volatility. As long as implied volatility is high, it's worth holding on to. Once the implied volatility goes whoosh, it's time to go out. It's time to get out. It's time to close the trade, and it's time to take those profits. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. As always, if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave in the feedback section, comment section, and show some, if you want, hit the like button, whatever you want to do, show some support. And thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. Have a good day. Ciao.